Hello students, welcome to Maths Plus. Today we are going to discuss LCM, finding LCM by prime factorization method, finding LCM by long division method and some properties of LCM. Let us consider the numbers 8 and 12. First, find the multiples of 8. Which are the multiples of 8? See. Multiples of 8 are, means we know just simply have to write tables. 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48 and so on. Like that we will write multiples of 12. What are the multiples of 12? Simply we have to write table of 12 means we are multiplying it by natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like this is equal to 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72 and so on. Okay. Now here observe which are the common multiples, means which numbers are occurring commonly here. Which one? 24, then 48 and so on, means any other number will be there. Now see here 24 and 48 are common multiples. From these two multiples, which is the smallest multiple? Yes, it is smallest multiple is 24. And which is the smallest multiple of given two numbers or three numbers? That smallest multiple is nothing but least common multiple. Least common multiple, and least common multiple means LCM. Least common multiple means LCM. Okay. What is the LCM then? LCM means least common multiple of two or more given numbers is the smallest or lowest or least of their common multiples. Means simply which numbers given to find their LCM, we have to find its multiples, and which is smallest multiple, that is the LCM of given numbers. But it is not possible each and every time to write multiples of given numbers. Then what is the method to find LCM? To find LCM, two methods are given. First method is prime factorization method and second one is long division method. Second one is long division method. First, we will discuss about the prime factorization method. How to find LCM by prime factorization method? See question, find LCM of the following numbers. Example is 24 and 90. First step is find prime factors of 24 and 90. Then let's find 24's factor. 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are 3. Like this 90s, 2 45, 3 15, 3 5 and 5 ones are 5. After finding prime factors of given numbers, write number as a form of product. Means 24 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. Is equal to one another important step is here, that is write the factors in exponential form. Exponential form means as a base and its exponent or index form and base form. You know na, base means suppose here 2 occurs 1, 2, 3 time means 2 raised to 3 into 3 raised to 1. This is the exponential form. Here 2 into 3 occurs 2 time means 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 1. Clear now? How to find the LCM? LCM of 24 and 90 is, what you have to do? Take out numbers which has greater exponent. Means here also 2, here also 2, but which has greater exponent means 2 raised to 1 or 2 raised to 3. 3 is greater than 1, so we have to take here 2 raised to 3 into 3 occurs 2 times, 3 raised to 1, 3 raised to 2. From these 2 we have to take 3 raised to 2 and 5 occurs 1 time, so 5 as it is 5 raised to 1. And find out its product. 2 raised to 3 means 8 into 3 raised to 2 means 9 into 5 is equal to 360, and 360 is the LCM of 24 and 90. Okay, next up second example. See second example, 108 and 78. First find prime factors of 108 and 78. Here I have written already. 108 factors we got 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, and 78 factor we got 2 into 3 into 13. Write down it in now exponential form, means 2 occurs 2 times, so 2 raised to 2. 3 occurs 3 times, so 3 raised to 3. Here 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 1 into 13 raised to 1 occur 1 time only. So now LCM of 108 and 78 is equal to which numbers we have to consider? Which has greater exponent, 2 raised to 2 or 2 raised to 1? Yes, 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 3 into 13 raised to 1, and multiply, we are getting answer 1404 is LCM of 1404 is LCM of 108 and 78. Okay, next third example. See, sometimes question you are getting like find the least number which is exactly divisible by given numbers. Means here like this question also have to find out LCM. See here least number, and least number when asked that time we have to find out LCM. See third example is 48, 80 and 96. What is the first step? Find prime factors of given numbers. We have already find here. Then write the prime factors as product of form. 48 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 80 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 96 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. And then next step is write these factors in exponential form. That is 2 occur 4 times means 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 1. Here also 2 raised to 4 into 5 raised to 1. And here 2 occurs 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So 2 raised to 5 into 3. And then LCM of 48, 80 and 96 is what? Take which number which has greater exponent, that number. Means that prime factor, that is 2 raised to 5 into 5 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 1. And find its a product. 2 raised to 5 means remember 2 have to multiply 5 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Don't get confusion here. 2 raised to 5 it means not 2 5s are 10. It is wrong. Okay. Some students are finding answer like this. 2 5s are 10, 10 into 5 50, 50 into 3 150 and LCM will get wrong. So remember how to find answer. 2 raised to 5 means 2 multiply itself 5 times. So find its answer. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32. Means 2 raised to 5 means 32 into 5 into 3. And answer we are getting is 480. After multiplication we are getting answer 480 means LCM of 48, 80 and 96 is 480. Okay. Next fourth example, see 30, 40 and 50. First step as usual, find prime factors of given numbers. We have find here 30 is equal to 2 into 3 into 5, 40 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, 50 is equal to 2 into 5 into 5. Then write it in exponential form, means 2 raised to 1 into 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 1. Here 2 occurs 3 times, so 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 1. Here 2 into 5 raised to 5 means 2 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 2. Then find LCM of 30, 40 and 50 is which has greater exponent. Take that prime factors. 2 raised to 3 into 5 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 1. And find its answer. It will come 600. 600 is LCM of 30, 40 and 50. Remember here 2 raised to 3 means 2 3s are 6, not 2 into 2 into 2 3 times, that is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. What is the fifth example? See 25, 75 and 55. First find here prime factors of given numbers. Here directly I am writing prime factors, yes, because already prime factors means what, and HCF how to find by prime factorization method. There we have detailed discussed about how to find prime factors. So here already I have written it directly. Now see 25 means 5 raised to 2, 75 means 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 2, 5 raised to 1 into 11 raised to 1. And what is the LCM of 25, 75 and 55 is equal to which prime factors we have to take, which has greatest exponent. Then take 3 raised to 1 into 5 raised to 2 into 11 raised to 1. Find its factor. It is 825. Means LCM of 25, 75 and 55 is 825. Okay. I hope how to find LCM by prime factorization method all of you understood. Second method is finding LCM by division method. Now here division method is little bit different. How to write given numbers? Here 3 numbers are here, 20, 25 and 30. Then how to write numbers? See, we have to write numbers like this. 20, keep some distance, 25, keep some distance and then 30. Now divide the given numbers by prime numbers, means how we find out prime factors in prime factorization method. Same process, but here all 3 numbers written together and we have to find prime factor which is divisible by at least any one number. Here 20 and 30 are even numbers. These numbers are divisible by 2. Then write down here 2. Now second step, remember what is the second step? Divide 20 by 2 means 2 tens are 20. Divide 30 by 2, 15 and 25 which is not divided by 2, that number copy or write as it is to next row. Same process we have to continue. See 10 is divisible by 2. So here write down 2. 2 5s are 10. Quotient write down next row and undivided number 25 and 15 write down as it is to next row. Then now see next second after 2 which is prime number 3 and 3 is divisible to 15. So write down here 3. 3 5s are 15. Quotient write down next row. Remaining undivided numbers write down as it is. Now these numbers are divisible by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 ones are 5. All three numbers are divisible by 5. So we have written here directly quotient of all three numbers. Now again 5 ones are 5. And this process we have to continue till we are getting 1 here. Okay, now what is the LCM? To find LCM, this method is very easy. LCM means which numbers are right hand side or which prime factors we got of all these numbers, that write down as product form 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. See, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 5. Then find its product. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60, 60 5s are 300. 300 is LCM of 20, 25 and 30. Which method you are feeling easy? You can follow that one. Either division method or prime factorization method. See second example. Second example is 35, 45 and 55. Write down all these numbers 35, 45 and 55 and find its prime factors. But how to find? First prime factor we have to start as usual from 2, means smaller prime numbers to greater prime numbers, which is divisible. 2 is not here divisible to any number. All numbers are odd numbers. Then by 3 check. 3 plus 5 8, 5 plus 4 9, 5 plus 5 10. 45 is divisible by 3. Then 3 1s are 3 5s are, and undivided number write down as it is to second row. Now same process continue till we are getting 1 as a quotient. Then 3 5s are 15. Undivided numbers as it is have to copy. Next second prime number is divisible 5. 7s are 35. 1s are 11s are. Now 7 1s are 7. 1 11 and 11 1s are 11. Now here 1 is here. So LCM of 35, 45 and 55 is product of all prime numbers. Product of all prime numbers, that is 3 into 5 into 7 into 11. Find product of all prime factors. It is, what is the third example? Third example is 144 and 720. Only two numbers are here. Then also we have to follow same process. Write down numbers 144 and 720. Start from, yes obviously, from 2. 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 1 remain, 2 6s are 12 and 0. Again these numbers are divisible by 2. 2 3s are 6, 1 remain, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 8s are 16. Now next, again these all 2 are even numbers, so divisible by 2. 2 18s are 2 9s are 8 0. Again 18 and 90 are divisible by 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 1 remain, 45. Now 9 and 45 are odd numbers and these are divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9, 3 15s are. Again divisible by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. LCM of 144 and 720 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, how many times? 1 2 3 4 times 2. Then 3 into 3 and next find its product. Product is 720. LCM of given number is 720. Okay. Fifth example is 125, 85 and 75. Write down in one row. All are odd numbers divisible by 3. Then 125, see 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1, 8, not divisible by 3. 8 plus 5, 13, not divisible by 3. 7 plus 5, divisible by 3, 12. Undivided number, write down as it is to next row. 25 3 is a 75. Now see, not divisible by 3, then 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are 35, 5 5s are 25. Again take 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 17 1s are 17. Now see, LCM of 125, 85 and 75 is, what is the LCM? Multiply all these prime factors. 3 into 5 into 5 into 5, 1 2 3 times 5 into 17 is equal to, LCM we are getting 6375. You can multiply and check. 6375 is LCM of 125, 85 and 75. Now it's turn to properties. First property, what? LCM of given numbers is always equal or greater than the given numbers. If you observe the LCM of given numbers, LCM which we are getting, that is here see 6375 is greater than the given numbers, means 125, 85 and 75. That is the first property. Okay. What is the second property? Second property is about co-prime numbers. What is meaning of co-prime numbers? Numbers which do not have common factor other than 1. See here first example 9 and 4. If we observe its factors not have any common factor. Let's check. 9's factors are 3, 3's are 9, 3 1's are 3. 4's factor 2 2's are 4, 2 1's are 2. Means factor of 9 are 3 into 3 and factors of 4 are 2 into 2. Obviously 1 also. Okay, 1 we are not writing every time. Now here observe which is common factor, except 1 not have any other common factor. So these numbers are called the co-prime numbers. In detail we have discussed already in prime numbers. Okay. Now same prime numbers we have considered here 12 and 5. Find its prime factors. 3 1's are 3 and 5, 5 1's are 5. Means factors of 12 are 2 into 3 and factors of 5 are 5 into 1 into 1. Which is common factor? Yes, 1 is only common factor. So 12 and 5 also co-prime numbers. Now what about LCM of co-prime numbers? Let's check LCM of 9 and 4. 3 raised to 2 and 2 raised to 3. Here see 3 raised to 2, here 2 raised to 2. Means LCM of 9 and 4 is 3 square into 2 square is equal to 3 square 9 into 2 square 4, 9 4s are 36. Check LCM of second example 12 and 5. 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 means 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 1 and 5's prime factors 5 raised to 1. LCM of 12 and 5 is 2 raised to 2 into 3 raised to 1 is equal to 5 raised to 1. 5 3's are 15. 2 raised to 2 means 2 2's are 4 and 15 4's are 60. Means for co-prime numbers LCM is equal to product of that co-prime numbers only. Not necessary to find out prime factors and all these process. Directly we can multiply given co-prime numbers and we can find out its LCM. Easy na? Before going to discuss next property, that is third property, we will discuss first example. See, what is the example? 4 and 16. Let's find its LCM. 4 and 16. 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Means LCM of 4 and 16 is equal to what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 4 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And find its the product. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 is LCM of 4 and 16. And if we observe the given numbers 4 and 16, 4 is a factor of 16, not prime factor. Just remember, 4 is composite number but factor of 16. Okay, just I am telling factor. When one number is factor of another number, then LCM is greater number. That time LCM is always greater number. See here, in second example 13 and 65. 13 is factor of 65. So LCM of 13 and 65 is 65. Second example 9 and 45. 9 is factor of 45. So LCM is 45. 6 and 18 same. LCM of 6 and 18 is 18. And this is the third property. When given two numbers, one number is factor of other number, then the LCM is that greater number. Okay. Next important property is about HCF and LCM. What is the property? Product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. Means product of HCF and LCM is always equal to product of the given number. First example is 18 and 48. In first example, HCF of 18 and 48 is 6 and LCM is 144. And what is the property? Product of that numbers is equal to product of HCF into LCM. Let's check. 18 into 48 is equal to the 6 into 144 or not. Instead of multiplication, I am using here easy trick. What is the easy trick? See, 18 1s are 18, 18 8s are 144, 8 1s are 8, 8 6s are 48, 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Here answer come 1 and here also 1. Means LHS and RHS both are equal, means this property is true. And from above this property one formula arises. What is the formula? Product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM of that numbers. Okay, and by using this formula we have to solve some word problems. See, what is the first word problem? What is the question? See, if the LCM of 77 and 99 is 693, find their HCF. Now, like these questions when you are getting, just I have to write the formula. What is the formula? Product of two numbers is equal to what? Product of their HCF into LCM, or directly you can write HCF into LCM. Yeah. Okay. Put the value. Product of two numbers means which two numbers we have? 77 and 99. 77 into 99 is equal to HCF. We have to find out. So write down HCF as it is into LCM. How much given? 693. And solve it. HCF keep right hand side as it is. When 693 will move to opposite of equal sign, that is from right hand side to left hand side, instead of multiplication it will come at division. Means 77 into 99 divided by 693. Give reduce form. 11 7s are 79, 77, 11 6s are 66, 3 remain, 11 3s are 63. Then now here 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 7s are 63, 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. 11 is HCF of 77 and 99. Okay. What is the second question saying? If the HCF and LCM of two numbers are 89 and 1335 respectively, means HCF is 89 and LCM is 1335. If one of the number is 267, find the other. What we have to do? Yes, have to write the formula. Which formula? Product of two numbers is equal to HCF into LCM. And put their values. Product of two numbers, but here one number only we know, 267. Second number you can write here other number, or you can put the x, means let second number is equal to x, anyone, is equal to HCF given 89 and LCM given 1335, and just solve it. Other number now here at left hand side, so keep as it is. Other number is equal to 89 into 1335 upon or divided by 267. Left hand side it is a multiplication, but it will move to right of opposite side, it will come at dividend place. Then 89 1s are and 3s are, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, 1 remain, 3 4s are 12 and 350. 445 is other number. What is the answer? Other number is 445. Okay. In next video, we will discuss how to solve word problems related to HCF and LCM. So, be connected with the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. And if you understood the concept of LCM, how to find LCM by prime factorization method or by division method, then don't forget to share it to your friends and relatives. Thanks for watching the video.